Hi guys, Hugo, Cleaning Depot. Today we're gonna have a fun informational video about one of my favorite machines, the Apex from Sapphire Scientific. We're gonna talk a little bit about the wand, what the machines come with, and this van. So the van, Chevy Express, brand new, the customer brought it from California, Victor, and he said, if I'm gonna have a new unit, it's gonna be installed by Cleaning Depot. And why? Because of our reviews, because of the videos, because everything that we tell you is the truth. And even if you're not buying from us, I just want to go ahead and say this out there. There's a lot of people that are selling the units and they lie about what comes with it and what doesn't. When you buy a machine, it comes with the jug, it comes with a wand, this particular one comes with 150 feet of vacuum and 150 feet of solution and a garden hose. You have stores out there that are saying, oh no, it's just a machine and waste tank. Or they say, hey, let me throw in some hoses and some solution. No, that already comes with it. So whether you're buying from us or not, make sure that you're informed. And you can also call HydroMaster and Sapphire to see what exactly comes with your unit. And make sure somebody is doing the installations correctly, because you're buying a brand new van. The vans are going crazy expensive. It doesn't matter, even if you buy an old beater van, you're spending money. Make sure that the fuel tabs, the plates and everything are installed correctly. Anyways, enough about that. The van has a 6.6 liter V8, has tons of power. So if you need to scoot around the freeways, or you're hauling a lot, you're hauling water, you're towing a trailer, this particular van is very, very cool. The customer went ahead and did a bed liner on it before he brought it to us. Make sure you're getting the good stuff. See how thick that is on the edge? Super thick material that's gonna last. A lot of people are doing other bed liners that aren't as good. Make sure you see the quality and you're getting for what you pay. I believe this is Line X, so look for a Line X. Get your vans done, and then we can do the install. Obviously nothing's bolted in right now, but you can see the machine here from the side, and you can see that massive 408 blower. If you have 500 feet of vacuum that you need to run, that's the power right there. The heat exchanger, that's down there, and that's a heater and a water box together. And the technology on that heat exchanger is so advanced that it does not need maintenance, and it won't clog up, and it won't give you back pressure on the engine. Another good thing about the Apex is that the belts are air cooled. Let me show you that around here. So you see this fan right here? That fan actually feeds air through the frame and cools the belts down. Why? So you don't have to be changing belts all the time. Let's look at the wand that it comes with. So the Apex and the Everest come with a 6-jet wand, titanium, super light, one of people's favorites wants to use. And you have a glider on here, 6-jet, super light, and this comes with it. Another thing that I like is the best chemical jug made. 6 gallons, super strong. And I used to carpet clean. We used to have a business. We used to run 3 vans. Let me show you. When you're putting powder here, it's not gonna get everywhere. But if you get one of those other chemical jugs that the port's this small, you're gonna get a mess everywhere. So 6 gallons, easy to put in. And also, you see a little port? That's for the chemical hose to go in there so it doesn't go through the top. So just a couple things that are cool about the machine, the van. And let's come around this way. And you don't see vans that have this that often. So I'm gonna show you, if you have a crew that comes with you, let's say 3 people, you can get these vans with this seat. And it just goes down from factory, so it has a seat belt, and you can put the 3rd person there. So very cool, compact van, but a lot of power and all these little goodies. I'm loving it. So I'm going to be closing up the video by saying, if you have the extra money, get yourself an Apex. I have a customer that has one with 8,000 hours on it. The only thing he did in those 8,000 hours, other than maintenance, was to replace a water pump. Same engine, same blower, running strong every single day. So Apex from Sapphire Scientific is an amazing machine.